Babyliss Pro has a full range of tools made for all different types of users out there. What I will be talking about with you today is our most affordable set that I believe is also really easy to learn on. As you are looking at the title of this video, you see Lithium FX Plus, which you might think you already know, but we have new upgrades that I know you will appreciate. Lithium FX has been around since I started with the company in 2016, and knowing where it started, it has come a long way. It was introduced to us back then with a stainless steel wedge blade that we all grew to love very quickly because the blades run so much closer to the scalp, and the bend at the tip of the blade also doubled as a great way to refine your cuts. Fast forward to today, this now has a gold titanium wedge blade that's zero gap adjustable. Now let's talk about the first upgrade. You have an extended taper control, meaning it has a longer stretch than the ones in the past. So think about this. Our premium half guard is 1.5 millimeter, our one guard is 3 millimeters, and our 1.5 guard is 4.8 millimeters. This taper arm extends to 4.2 millimeters. For some who need the speed or the shortcuts, this gives you an option to skip the half guard. You have a diagram to also show you the range in case you need it to figure out how to connect it into certain guards you are using. The old taper arm was a free floating lever, and now, you guessed it, it has our famous 5 detent locking system. Why do you ask we need this? Well, as a user myself, this helps with consistency and accuracy as you do your blends of all lengths. Always knowing where I'm at gives me peace of mind, especially if I'm locked into a conversation. My hands can follow a step-by-step process to get me a smooth blend. You also get 6,800 RPMs on this clipper, similar to tools like any of the Boost Plus, Snap FX, or Low Pro, which you can also find videos about on our Babyliss Pro Barber YouTube channel. You have a super lightweight ergonomic body with a quiet running ball-bearing DC motor. I recently did a weight comparison as this matters to some people. This clipper comes in at 9 ounces, close to the FX3 at 10 ounce, or Low Pros at 12 ounce. As far as the most common tools you normally see at trade shows or Babyliss Instagram page, this is the lightest one. Now let's talk about the next new feature. We have a new on and off switch that moved up the side with an added tab, making it so much easier for us to turn it on and off. We finally got rid of the lower power position that sometimes was a little too slick to reach if you were working fast. The first version on a full charge ran at 75 minutes. This one runs at 2 hours. You still get the LED battery indicator that's almost always on all of our tools to keep users aware of when it's time to plug it in. If you don't have a backup clipper to rotate, you have the option to also plug in the power cord and still continue to use it. There's also a new upgrade with the charging port. It's the same charging port as the Low Pro FX, Boost Plus, Custom FX, or any Metal FX clipper. Before we get into the trimmer, leave me a comment below what you guys are thinking about the new clipper upgrades I've talked about. The next thing is completely brand new and added into the Babyliss catalog, which just recently launched this month, the matching Lithium FX Plus trimmer. It comes equipped with an industry favorite, your standard tooth gold titanium T-blade. You have the 360 view, zero gap adjustable blade, making it super easy to maneuver in tight places around the beard, the hairline, great for design, and much more. The blade runs at 6,800 RPMs, very similar to trimmers like the Low Pro FX. Speaking of that tool, if you enjoy using that trimmer, the size and comfort in hand feels pretty close to this one too. Same ergonomic body adapted from the clipper, and you get the major upgrade in the battery life, letting you run for 4 hours on a full charge. You have the LED battery light indicator, keeping you dialed in when it needs a recharge, and the same power button located in a great place for quick switching. Weight-wise, this trimmer is about 6 ounces, making it tied with the FX3 trimmer as the lightest within the professional collection of Babyliss Pro trimmers. Just for comparison, the Low Pro trimmer is close by at 7 ounces. Lastly, you have a universal charging port here too, making the charging process so easy. I did say most affordable, right? So let's do a little comparison and send you guys off with all the information you are here to see. Currently in the US, this clipper comes in at $159.99. Low Pro at $199.99, Metal FX at $290.99, Boost Plus at $229.99, FX3 at $229.99, and Snap FX at $319.99. Let's do the same with the trimmers. This Lithium comes in at $139.99, Low Pro at $169.99, FX3 at $174.99, Metal FX at $184.99, Boost Plus at $189.99, and Snap FX at $279.99. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Lithium FX Plus set. It's now available online, and I'll leave all the links in the description and best place to find it. This is Sofie Stay Gold, and thank you for watching.